안녕, 미스톨롱이야. Hey guys, I'm back again to the Philippines for Christmas vacation. I'm at the airport now. It's 5 a.m. and December 25, 2024. Pretty humid and warm. I'm waiting for my baggage. Hey guys, we are buying groceries for the new year today. We're on the shopping mall. Hi Elijah. We're in Robinson's. Today is January 31, 2024. Hi. Look at the Christmas tree. Wow. So now we're going to buy cake in Goldilocks. Look at the Christmas tree. Wow. Beautiful, right? Say hi. 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 Let's go buy. What are you preparing?
Preparing for salad.
What kind of salad?
Vegetable salad.
Vegetable salad. Hello. Good New Year. Wow. Happy New Year. I made this one, kimbap. Tuna 참치 kimbap. Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay. Hi! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? What's your name?
I'm Alisa.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
You're 5?
Yeah.
Really? Do you go to school?
Yes.
Where?
But here, I go to school.
Very good. I'm outside our house. I'm in my sister's house. And if you can hear it, it's starting to be noisy. Fireworks everywhere, firecrackers everywhere. And New Year trumpet. It's a trumpet. I'm with my dog. Wow. Happy New Year, everybody.
Sa Lord. Ano ang pasasalamat mo sa Panginoon sa buong taon? Ang nangyari sa buhay mo. Ako, pasalamat talaga ako sa Panginoon na kahit malayo tayo. May Lord ka ba nag-thank you sa akin?
Thank you, Mama Yik yata yan eh.
Hindi yan si Lord, ha? Hindi ako si Lord. Tita mo ako, tita.
Tapos sa anak ng bawat isa kasi naman talaga yung pinakamahalaga. Tapos kahit naging puso yung mga sakit ngayon, kaya nasa pa rin tayo. Joke lang eh, parang ano eh. Pero feeling ko, health and safety mo bakit ito. As always. Wala.
Iyakan ba? Iyakan ba?
Survive this year lahat-lahat. Sa mga bata na walang sakit, nagpinagpapalala mo na yan. Bilang isang ina.
Birthday to you. Ang mga kaganapan ngayon dito sa aming tahanan. Victoria. Congrats na.
Shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
So it's 30 minutes to 12 and we just finished like having some games and we are currently eating. It's currently, oh look at that. It's 30 minutes to 12 and it's New Year and I don't know if you can hear that, but those are firecrackers. Dang. Happy New Year everyone! Advance Happy New Year! 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 6 minutes to 2025! Whoa! Happy New Year! 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 It's raining, but it's New Year. Welcome to the Philippines. That's how we celebrate New Year here. Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Isali! Isali! Thanks for watching. 감사합니다. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.